Welcome to aminacademy.com. In complex analysis regarding de Moivre's theorem, let us find the nth root of complex number, some solving problem. Find the square root of minus 15 minus 8i. Now, let square root of minus 15 minus 8i equal p plus iq, where P and Q are real. P and Q are real. Now, squaring both sides, we have P plus IQ, the square equal minus 15 minus 8i. Here P plus IQ expanded is P square minus plus iq whole square is minus q square, because I square is minus 1, plus 2pqi, which is equal minus 15 minus 8i. Comparing real and imaginary, look at these are the p square minus q square is a real part here, therefore p square minus q square equal minus 15 and 2pqi equal 2pq equal minus 8, which gives pq equal minus 4. Now here substituting, we have q equal minus 4 over p, and substituting p square minus q square here, p square minus q square equal to minus 15, and it is p square minus 16 over p square, because q square equal to q equal to 4 minus 4 by q, 4 by p, which is equal minus 15. From that we have, look at here, 3 power 4, simplifying, plus 15 p square minus 16 equal to 0. It's a quadratic in terms of p square. Therefore, the solution, look at here, this here, therefore we can factorize this as p square plus 16 into p square minus 1 equal 0, which gives p square equal to minus 16 and p square equal to 1. Since p is real, therefore p is equal plus or minus 1 by taking square root. Here p equal to 1, q equal to minus 4. That is, if you substitute p equal to 1, q we have is minus 4 by p, so we have p equal to 1 and q equal to minus 4, and other root p equal minus 1 and q equal 4. Therefore the roots, therefore the square root are minus 1 plus 4i and 1 minus 4i. That is, square root of minus 15 minus 8i is minus 1 plus 4i minus 1 minus 4i. Now let us do next problem. Solve the quadratic equation z square plus 2i minus 3 into z plus 5 minus I equal to 0. Here z equal to complex number. Now by comparing standard quadratic equation, we have a equal to 1 and b equal 2i minus 3 and c equal 5 minus I. Therefore, by using quadratic formula, z equal, that is minus b plus minus root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. By giving the values of a, b, c, they have z equal minus 2i, that is minus b, plus or minus square root of 2i minus 3 the square minus 4 in 8, see 5 minus I over 2a, 2 into 1 is 2. So by simplifying inside the square root, we have minus that is we have 3 minus 2i, that is minus into 2i is minus 2i, minus into minus is plus 3i. So plus or minus, simplifying inside the square root, we have minus 15 minus 8i by 2. Here in previous problem we found square root of minus 15 minus 8i is minus 1 plus 4i minus 1 minus 4i. We have to substitute these values. We have z equal 3 minus 2i plus or minus 1 minus 4i over 2, which gives 2 minus 3i or 1 plus I. Therefore, the roots of the above quadratic equation in terms of complex number is 2 minus 3i and 1 plus I. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.